these are the brand spanky new elevators at the brand spanky new Holiday Inn, another by the airport, Indianapolis, Indiana. These are ThyssenKrupp Signa 4 from 2015, 10 years ago. So here we go. Here it is. It's going to be the right one. Yep. Let's go on to 1. Here we go. And I'm suing for emotional damages. Here are 1. Let's go to 5. Here we go. Here are 5. All right, let's get the other car. Let's get the other one. There goes that car. Let's get the other car. And here it is. Here it is. Let's take the spin all the way down to 1. Here we go. Here are 1. Let's go back up to 5. ThyssenKrupp Signa 4 pictures. Here's your phone. Here we go.
I gave him his third one. I didn't give him the second yet. He needs to take his fourth.
Here are 5. And that's it.